Today I'm gonna be helping my daughter Moom leveling up her bird, and shout out to her, by the way. Yeah, this is my voice. Probably heard it before. We're just gonna wait on her. Ignore the noise in the background. Just fight something in the meantime. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to everyone, actually. Oh, here she comes. Hello, my beautiful daughter. Hello. Say hi. Caution, I don't know how to spell. Okay. Let's get started. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Should I get my floss? I don't know. And yes, I just got this Mystic yesterday. This is my new OC. Oof. I'll bring it. Oof, oof. Are you okay? Oof, oof, oof. Oof, oof, oof. You okay? I hope she's okay. If not, that's. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh god. I'm so sorry. No, now it's following me. Okay. Be careful, Mom. Be careful. Very careful. I'm gonna let her know I'm using my microphone. Oh my god, what can I spell? And again, I'm a girl. Yep. It's gonna be cool. And my voice reveal. Some of you guys probably already know my voice. I don't know who that is. I'm not letting no one else in. Oh, and shout out to Imposta. I'm waiting for her so she can level up. No, it's chasing me. It's chasing me. Okay. She's there. Okay. Ooh, calm down. Oh my god. Okay. I got it. Congratulations! You're welcome. And I don't have the sound on because I want you guys to hear me. Oof, 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 oof. He's not here. Oh, yes, yes. Yeah, I'm helping her level up to any kind of level. Because I'm a good mom. I want to be a good mom. I want to be. I'm weird. And I'm so close to 100 subscribers. Like, oh my gosh. It's just so close. Thank you all for all the support. I'm scared to get it to 1,000, but thanks. How about we cut the music a little bit on? I don't know. Ooh, congratulations. I do have Roblox. I just don't play it on. I'm not a Roblox gamer on YouTube. I wish they could add like a different song, cause why would it be Christmas? I'm just wondering. It shouldn't be Christmas. Oof, I think it's loud for you. That's probably good. I haven't had the sound on in a long time. I never had the sound on. Or the music on. I have the sound on. Not the music. I haven't had the music on in a long time. In most of my videos, I never have the music on. So that's how you that's how you make music. But just for y'all, I never told me to use it. I just, it is very special. This is a lot. And Pasta, you probably know Moom, because you met her before. So, did I say shout out? Yeah, shout out. Shout out to both of you, or all of you guys. I know y'all. What level you want to stop at? I don't know when this video is gonna come up, but look at this. Ignore that. Ignore this. Ignore that. It's Sunday, July the 11th. And I don't know when this video is gonna come up. Okay. Sure. If I don't have nothing else to do, I'll get you up to level 40, okay? Tell me, guys, tell me in the comments, do I have to keep voice? I like my voice. I do like me. You know I'm not country. I'm only American. I can't not speak anything else. And I mean nothing else. I can't speak anything else. Or American. Or English. Congratulations again. No. Yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations. Cooks. That's what it is. Cookgrass. Welcome. I love my beautiful daughter. Oh, congratulations on your pet. Your pet. Wow. Tell me in the comments what language you guys are. Looks like you guys are English. That's no one's. You're welcome. Oof, I'm back. Careful. Stop. Okay. Shit's died. That's okay. Heal. We're not gonna do the boss because I can't do that. I can't help her with that. I don't have no luck to help her. My fox is very close. It's 170. Not that close. If it was 109. Congratulations. This is a good microphone. I never knew this screen recorder had a microphone. I never knew. But the other day I knew. I looked on settings and it has a good microphone. I've never seen a good microphone like this. I've never. I hope you guys can hear it. That's a bad thing. Nice day in Wildcraft. I got the this den is like empty completely. No, excuse me. Oh god. Completely empty. I think I'm breathing too loud. That's me. This is my den. I got all the dens. I can even show y'all once we're done leveling up her to 40. I can even show you guys before the video ends. Oof. I'm gonna die. Goodbye, world. Is dead. Dead. Congratulations. I laughed too loud. You can call me Mom. You can call. I don't know who that is. No problem. I mean, I'm not letting random people in, okay? I'm not. I'm in the champions clan. For some reason, DS Clan hates me. For some reason. I don't know why. I don't know what I did to them. Every time I get in their clan, I just randomly get kicked out. And I got tired of getting kicked out of clans. I don't know who that is. I don't like random people in my clan. That's the point of me making this up. Why did I just say clan? Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I mean world. I'm so embarrassed. There's more for you guys. Tapping back to my phone. The phone has no case. That's 2 phones. One has I still have Wildcraft on the other one, but it's like a player. That's my sister's phone, but she lets me have it all the time. That's my little sister, Rebecca. But she's not here yet. Well, she ain't. She hates being on YouTube. I don't know why. She never had an account. I mean, if she did have a YouTube channel, her name would be Rebecca YouTube. She's a gotcha wife. She's a gotcha wife. And I'm like a Roblox and a Warcraft person. My favorite Roblox games to play in Warcraft. Oh my god. Playing Roblox is Brookhaven, Murder Mystery, and also Adopt Me with my sister. No, I wanna say congratulations. Sorry for that typing noise. It's a nice thing to do. It's a nice thing to do. I'm whispering as I type. That's what I do. So I can read my words. It helps a lot with me. And no, and a matter of fact, in Roblox, I have no Robux at all. Because I can't find none. I have my mom. And I remember when I was named Raspberry, I purchased all these things and then she got mad at me. Then she canceled the purchase. And now we can't even purchase anything. So, too bad for me. But Wildcraft is very nice and lets you keep what you have. Like, once my membership was over, look at this. But I still have Wild Club products. I still have Wild Club stuff. Right here. I'm wearing that right now. I don't like this. I don't have that. I tried. I didn't know it will let you keep it. That's why I didn't want it to end. I don't know who that is. Stop giving me in. One of his friends. Oh, I thought it was gonna crash. I was like, oh no. I crashed a lot. I don't know, I crashed 2 times yesterday. Like, oh my gosh. I play Rocket every day. Who is... Okay, I don't really know what to say. I just let them in. Congrats again. I don't know who that is. I don't want to know. Don't know who that is. I made this server for 3 people. Basically, someone I want to come in here can come in here. So I just couldn't see. Okay. I'm so fast. I haven't done my quest yet. I don't know when I got this quest. I'm fast as eat. As hello. I don't want to curse at all. Curse. I hate cursing. I don't curse at all. I will never curse. But one of you guys help me do my quest. I'm not doing my excuse me. Gosh, I lost your pet again! Again, no. Again, no. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to spell. My keyboard just messes up all the time. I don't know why. I roleplay on Roblox. I must play in Brookhaven. If you guys didn't know, they had an update to the apartments above the grocery store. I'm kind of broke, but I like my laptop. I like my laptop. I'm never going to take that away at all. I'm really going to pay for bills. I'm just not ready. I did personally. I'll set, but I only left it up there for like a second. It's not like I'm scared to put it. I'm just not ready. I don't want to put my face up there. Oh, okay. I'm not putting this. My brain just froze. No. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be mean. Oof. A giant. A giant. By the way, I'm 9 years old. I giant. Ooh, you okay? You okay? Where you at? Where the ambulance that's trying to kill you? No one messes with my daughter now. Congratulations. We're almost there. Can't wait for her to see this. She just warms my heart. In real life too. She's so nice. And sweet. I do have a mate name. Jaheim. I guess. I don't really know how to spell it. Jaheim X Cobra. That's her name. I do have a son named Moom. He's not on. He's not on. Ooh, a big ooh. It's just wow. Look how big. It's so cool. Calm down. Oof, oof, oof. Who's died? Who's died? That was so close. Oh my god. I was growling. I was meant to sit down, but it turned out to be a growl. Oh. This is my place. I have daily place. Scared me. What is she doing now? Look at her! Look at her health bar! Look at it! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! So close to die. I don't know how to spell it. I'm gonna ask Google later because I keep saying Dieing. I know. What the screaming? I just like to have my camera like this, you know. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Oh, way out there, wow. I'm back, sorry, that was my mom talking to me. Now, Mom, you want to hear the alarm? Hold up. It's coming, hold on. It's so loud. Garage door. That's what it sounds like. Look at that. So maybe that's how my alarm system sounds like. I was close to it, so that's why it sounded like that. Can I do a challenge? being like this. It's kind of hard to be this little. Congratulations over there. Stop trying to get in! They get on my nerves if they try to get. I remember when I was a noob, I tried to get in big level servers. I remember. I did. It's like, isn't this a cute OC? Oh, I know. Ooh, my clan member. I'm gonna definitely let you in. Well, you said that twice. My sister Rebecca hates it here, so she doesn't live here. She left her phone here. This is not her phone. This is not her. Congratulations, my baby! I said in Mike. Oof, love that. I don't know who you are. Stop trying to get in. I don't know who you are. Stop. I'm sorry. No problem. Oh. Thing right there. I'm about to level up a little bit. Let me see how much money I'm so close to leveling up. There it goes again. TikTok! I have TikTok. I have a TikTok account, but I don't post on there. That's not posted on there. So I have a YouTube channel. And I just died. That's my deep voice sound. We're almost there. Come on, sweetie. Come on. You can do it. I know. I just made up a random song. I don't know where it came from. From JoJo Siwa or something. You can do it. You can see it. You can be. I don't know. I don't know the lyrics. Oofy oof oof. Oofy oofy oof. Oofy oofy oof oof oof. That should be a song. Again, my clear member. Oh, I leveled up. Oh, thanks. Hi. Hi. What's your name? Airy. If you're gonna stay in here. Hi. It's your chat bandit title. I get. If no one speaks, that means they're chat bandit or they don't have a chat. Or their parents removed the chat. Run over to us, really? Oh, that's a lot! Oh my gosh! Careful, Moom! Careful, careful! Careful, Moom! I don't want you to die. You'd be so lucky if you didn't die, Moom. Oh my god! Oh my god! Congratulations! Gosh, we're almost there. Oh, and imposter, you're probably wondering why every time you meet me, I leave. It's actually because I be crashing. I crash every time I see you. I don't know why. My game decides to crash. So, thank you. No. MP. She's my phone needs charging. It's okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. So, it doesn't really matter. We have enough time for her to level up. Level 40. Before my phone goes completely dead. Also have time for you guys to see I have all my dens. All the dens. I'm just showing you guys proof. Y'all probably don't really care, but just proof. Just in case you guys don't believe me at all. I'll show you after I'm done. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna get it. I love my pets so much. I love pets. Because they can help you. That's my pet all the time, basically. When I level up, not that much. Because, a friend told me this tip. Don't use your pet while you're leveling up because your pet takes all your XP away. So you're kind of left with a little bit of XP. Because they take it away. That was like a year ago. I'm gonna die. You can level up! And I'm dying. Oh! Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. Man. video. I don't know. Oh, I'm stuck in a tree. What? Oh, Lord. You'll still get XP, though. Oh, that's it. It's a little tiny. I know some people do map ratings. They rated the map, and they said jungle map is like small. Sorry, I know it's kind of stuffed up. Jungle map is not small. It's so big. So what are you talking about? Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe my ears. Well, that is supposed to be the biggest world. Oh, you're almost about to level up. Congratulations. Oof, oof, oof. God. I was gonna level up. I died. Get grass! We did it. We did it. We did. Bouncing all the way. I don't know. Bye, YouTubes. By my kids. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you. I have all my dens. Brat. Wait, oh my god. Forest den, wild den, savannah den, cave den, castle, beach, treehouse, pirate ship, Christmas den, waterfall den, underwater den, jungle cave den, haunted house den, ice cave den, Japanese Minecraft den, Minecraft den, and floating mountains. Goodbye!